lumaban po ako sa ibang promotion ng championship o PBF po sa Iloilo. Tapos nun, training din po ulit para lumaban ulit. Mahirap po mag-reduce, pero kaya naman po. Dinagdagan ko yung mga kulang sa akin, yung mga suntok. Pagbubutihan ko na lang po sa laban ko mamaya. Hindi ko po alam kung anong mangyayari, basta gagawin ko po ang lahat. Maraming salamat po sa Blow by Blow at sa kay Sir Manny at sa manager ko po. Maraming salamat. Shout out po sa mga taga sa amin dyan.
Kung sa mahirap po, mahirap talaga kasi halos araw-araw training. Yung pahinga lang, linggo lang. Yung disiplina po talaga, dapat nasa ano talaga yan, nasa boxer talaga. Marami pong dadagdag, power, speed, more improve pa po. Binabati ko mga po pala yung mga kababayan ko at mga supporters ko. At sa mayor namin, sa Mobo, Mayor Raymond Bonet Salvacion, tapos ang family ko, family Sampaga, binabati ko din po. Tapos sa mga kaibigan ko na sumusuporta din sa akin. Magandang hapon.
We have a unanimous draw. Abla mga kaibigan.
Next week on Manny Pacquiao presents Blow by Blow.
Ginahon making his blow-by-blow debut. Hindi pa po natin napapanood sa blow-by-blow si Ginahon. And for sure, he wants to make an impact. He wants to make an impression. But in his last fight, his only loss so far, tinalo po siya ni Ramil Macado in the 8th round by TKO. So hoping to bounce back with a big win over Trinidad for the championship. Oh, sunod-sunod po yung tama ni Trinidad. Precision punching by Yacil Trinidad. Ops, sandali. Groggy na po si Ginahon. Kamontik na tumumba. And he's getting pounded and hammered by Trinidad, both to the body and the head. Upstairs and downstairs attack. Eto, sunod-sunod na to. Hindi pa naman po pumapagsak si Ginahon. And Trinidad better be careful because he might punch himself out. That was a good shot, a right hand to the face of Ginahon. One-sided po itong first round na to. And referee Taptasan is looking very closely at whether he should stop this fight. This is just too much punishment. Hindi na po sumusuntok si Ginahon. Tuloy-tuloy na po ang suntok dito. And it stopped. It stopped. It's over. First round TKO scored by Trinidad over Ginahon. Wow, what a victory. Hindi po bumagsak si Ginahon. Tinanggap niya. Panurin po natin, punch of the round. That was a big punch. The left hand, that connected. And that post, 1, 2, 3, 4. Sunod-sunod na yun. That was a big punch to the side of the face. And then, the side of the body. And referee Taptasan looking very closely. Hindi na sumusuntok si Ginahon. At pinapaspasan na siya ni Trinidad. It's just one punch after another. And then, very wisely, referee Taptasan stopping the contest and preventing further punishment on Ginahon.